Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Zendesk Sell, a powerful and intuitive CRM software designed to enhance productivity, processes, and pipeline visibility for sales teams. Zendesk Sell is part of the larger Zendesk suite of products, which focuses on improving customer relationships and interaction. The software offers a range of features to manage leads, deals, and customers all in one place. It's designed for ease of use, with an emphasis on improving sales efficiency. Zendesk Sell is packed with features that boost sales performance. Its core features include lead and deal management, which provide complete visibility of your sales pipeline. The software also offers integrated communication tools like email, phone dialing, and texting. Its robust reporting and analytics tool gives you actionable insights, while the mobile app ensures you can manage your sales pipeline on the go. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with other Zendesk products and popular third-party applications. Zendesk Sell offers a tiered pricing structure to cater to different business needs. The team plan starts at $19 per user per month, offering basic CRM functionalities. The professional plan at $49 per user per month offers more advanced features. The enterprise plan at $19 gives access to the full suite of features. Lastly, the elite plan at $199 offers advanced customization and support. It's worth noting that these prices are billed annually and a free trial is available. Zendesk Sell is ideal for various scenarios. It's perfect for sales teams looking to streamline their sales process and improve productivity. It's also great for businesses that want a comprehensive view of their sales pipeline to make data-driven decisions. If you're a company that uses other Zendesk products or third-party apps, Zendesk Sell's seamless integration capabilities make it an excellent choice. Lastly, businesses that require a robust mobile CRM will find the mobile app extremely beneficial. There are several advantages to using Zendesk Sell. The software is intuitive and easy to use, minimizing the learning curve for your team. Its comprehensive feature set allows for efficient management of your sales pipeline. The seamless integration with other Zendesk products and third-party apps enhances functionality and productivity. Also, the robust mobile app ensures you can manage your sales activities anywhere, anytime. Lastly, the tiered pricing structure caters to a wide range of budgets. Despite its many benefits, Zendesk Sell has some limitations. Some users have reported that the software can be slow at times. The pricing, while flexible, can add up quickly for larger teams. Additionally, while it integrates with many apps, not all integrations are seamless, which can cause some inconvenience. Lastly, some users have found the reporting features to be less comprehensive compared to other CRM solutions in the market. In conclusion, Zendesk Sell is a powerful and versatile CRM solution with a plethora of features designed to enhance sales productivity. It's easy to use, integrates well with other applications, and comes with a robust mobile app. However, it has some limitations, including occasional slow performance and potentially high costs for larger teams. Overall, it's a solid choice for businesses of all sizes, especially those already using other Zendesk products. Thank you for watching this in-depth analysis of Zendesk Sell. We hope it has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.